Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. Now, it's Friday, February the 29th, a leap year. This comes along once every 4 years, and that stands also for the news flow today. 7 great press releases. 6 of them are AGORACOM clients. Don't ask me why. It's one of those leap year things. It probably happened once every 4 years. Great that it happened today, but 7 great press releases for you. The resources space dominates today, and a lot of that probably has to do with the fact that the PDAC mining conference is just around the corner, starting on Sunday, the world's biggest mining conference in Toronto. So you've got companies putting up press releases just for the show. Let's start you off first with Conspace Communications, trades on the venture exchange under the stock symbol CCB. They announced second quarter results. Sales for the second quarter, $2.7 million, up 70%. During the second quarter, the company had a 7.3 increase in gross profit to about $1.28 million. Net profit, $106,000 compared to $82,000 for the second quarter last year. What I also like is sequential growth in sales, 44.3% increase in sales over Q1 of this year. On a half-year basis, for the first 6 months, sales total $4.57 million. That's a 55.5% increase over sales for the first half of fiscal 2007. This is an AGORACOM client. Great news. They closed yesterday at 38 cents. Another AGORACOM client here, OpenEC, trades on the venture exchange under OCE. They announced record second quarter numbers, also put out some first half numbers as well. Let's get to the big ones, though. New sales record for the second quarter, up 435% to $1.38 million, with EBITDA earnings of about just under $46,000. Revenue for the 6 months, $2.666 million, with an EBITDA of $90,000. What I liked about this EBITDA number is if you take out one-time non-cash-based compensation things, you're talking about EBITDA of $230,000. A quote here from Mr. Martin Armstrong, President and CEO. This is the second consecutive quarter of record revenue growth and positive financial indicators for the company, clearly hiding the year-to-date business development, revenue growth, and profitable EBITDA execution goals are solidly on track for this fiscal year. They closed yesterday at 19 cents. Next up, switching over to resources now. Here we go. Sage Gold put out not one but 2 press releases today. So let's get to the first one. First of all, Sage trades on the venture exchange, on the TSX venture exchange. They put out their results for Lynx One property. They announced that they drilled 5.56% copper, 153 grams per ton of silver, 2.3 grams per ton of gold. That's over 6.5 meters. That was inside of hole 0833. They also had some other highlights. Big table there. Go take a look at them. But here are the highlights. In hole 0841, you got 1.5 meters of 3.54 grams per ton of gold, 56.6 grams per ton of silver, 2.68% copper. Over on 0842, you also had 2.8 meters of 2.3 grams per ton of gold, 52 grams per ton of silver, 1.2% copper. Big numbers out of Sage. They closed yesterday at 31 cents. Looking at the bid and ask before open, it's looking higher. Don't know if that's going to sustain itself through the day, but they're definitely looking higher. That came out at 8:30. Second press release that came out of Sage was at 9:15. This is regarding their Gold Hill property in Arizona. They're announcing underground and surface channel sampling. They hit 78.9 grams of gold per ton over width of 0.35 meters, and the highest grade grab sample, 16.18 grams of gold per ton. Again, this is on their Gold Hill property located in Maricopa County, Arizona. So good news day for Sage. They're going to be going into the PDAC with some momentum, and happy shareholders, that's for sure. Freewest trades on the venture exchange on the stock symbol FWR. They announced that they intersected 7.98 grams per ton of gold over 12 meters in deeper drilling. This is at Clarence Stream in New Brunswick. The property is about 11,300 hectares, located close to infrastructure, just 70 kilometers southwest of the city of Fredericton. The highlights from the recent results: 7.98 grams per ton over 12 meters, 10 meters true width. That was in drill hole 08272. Also, hole CS07, 271. 4.22 grams per ton of gold over 5 meters. That was at 225 meters deep. Hole 08273, 7.11 grams per ton of gold across 5 meters. That's about 230 meter level. Great news out of the company. Freewest closed yesterday at 34 cents. That's also an AGORACOM client. Non-AGORACOM client, Carpathian Gold, trades on the venture exchange under CPN. They closed yesterday at 53 cents. These are results from their Hungarian exploration property where they intersected 9 meters, 247 grams per ton of silver, and 3.33 grams per ton of gold. I'm going to read this here. Assay results indicate this alteration mineralization system is gold and silver bearing, with 5 of 6 drill holes intersecting discrete zones with greater than 1 gram per ton of gold. Here's a quote from Dino Totaro, President CEO of Carpathian. The first pass drilling program on our Hungarian property intersected encouraging silver and gold values within a large untested geochemical and alteration anomaly. We will analyze the results and determine what our next steps will be on this project. That's from Dino Totaro. That's at a Carpathian who closed yesterday at 53 cents, the only non-AGORACOM client in today's news. Hey, Dino, make it a full house. Give me a call. Become a client. Great day. Fantastic news. I can't believe we had that much news out on a Friday, on a leap year day. 6 out of the 7 press releases came from AGORACOM clients, but as you can see, all of those press releases stand on their own 2 feet. As always, don't forget about the AGORACOM marketplace, where you can find 85 to 90 great small cap companies by industry and exchange. Great summary descriptions so you can find the one best suited for your portfolio. If you're going to PDAC this weekend, if you're one of our resource members, make sure to stop by the AGORACOM booth. You can't miss us on the floor. We're going to have 2 50-inch TVs going with all sorts of presentations. Plus, we've got our $10,000 poker night on Sunday night and our big game that's on the 3rd floor of the Royal Your Hotel at Salon B. Be there. Have a great weekend. Talk to you on Monday.